Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do the unboxing of Ahopegarden 12 pots intelligent planter, and this one is the limited edition. As you can see, it comes with 24 months warranty. And let me see, what is this? This is 12 pots intelligent planter. This is the manual where they have just told how to set up everything, how to put the pots. So here comes the button of power button, pump, and these are the watts on which you can use them. So let me just pick it up. Wow, you can see that it comes with a transparent glass as well, and also you can see how it is growing and how your roots are popping up. So on the box you will see that you can adjust the height of this setup according to the height of your plant. So, and the lights and all the descriptions are given in the user manual as well. You can just go through it, and it is super useful. And this is how it will look with the transparent glass. So these are the funnels. You can just put it in it. So this setup comes with the funnel. You need to place the funnel on it, soak the sponge in the water, and place the seed in this, and then place it on it. It's so wonderful. You can even label it on the placard. And if you don't want to use all 12 of them, you can just put this lid on it so that it prevents the water from escaping or getting evaporated. It's so much thoughtful. How I will plant these seeds onto the starter kit, and we will go from there. As you can see that there are 12 pots in which I can plant the seeds. So I have decided to go for two varieties. Number one would be tomatoes, and the second would be garden rocket. So now let's start. So I have turned on the light over here. I have just plugged in. So here you can see the plug. I have plugged in there, and the wire is coming. And first and foremost, I'm going to show you how I will soak the sponge. So these are the sponge that I got in the package itself. So I'm going to soak them in the water, all of them. So I have taken two seeds, so there are altogether 12. So in half, like in 6, I will be growing tomato, and in half I will be growing some. These are the sponge. I'm going to place them in the water so that they get soaked up. Here you go, just press them. So you can see the sponges are getting bigger and bigger, and now I can like place them on this like this. So after placing all the sponges, it will look like this. So these are my tomato seeds. I'll take one seed and place in this one like this. Take another one and place it over here inside this. So like this, I'll be placing everything. Like I have placed in 6 of them the tomatoes, and these are the rocket chili seeds. Look, they're so tiny. I'm just trying to place them inside it. So I'll place in 6 of them, I'm placing the rocket chilies. So now I'm going to fill it with water from here. The setup has the hole, and now I'm just pouring in the water. As you can see, the setup is transparent, and you can see the level of water as well. So I'm pouring in the water, and it's getting filled up. So with the Hope set came 2 bottles of nutrition, the plant food. So I'm going to pour 1 cap of each in the setup. You can see this setup. So I've already poured these 2 in this, and I'm going to close it. So now I'm taking these small plastic cap that again came with this garden setup, and putting it on everyone. See? So I'm putting it on everyone. So this is how my setup is looking, and after a week I will update the Ahopegarden setup as to how my seeds are germinating. I'm very much excited about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be updating you the progress and the germination of seeds as it comes and goes. Okay? So, bye.